Hello traders, the title of the video is Stock Trader reveals a simple way to use trend lines profitably. Do you want to start using trend lines more profitably? Alright, I encourage you to watch the full length for this short tutorial. Alright, so you may start using trend lines more profitably. So I have been recording videos about trend lines because they are powerful tool that a lot of traders are not using. In this tutorial, I'm going to highlight again a different aspect of using trend lines. All right, so what I have noticed, which myself I have done, all right, many times, all right, when I start trading first, I did not bother to draw the trend line. So if you have been following us before, you have probably heard me talking about this before, and I don't know why I was reluctant to draw my trend line. It was something was holding me to draw my trend line until one day, all right, the genius in me wake up, all right, and I start drawing trend line like a mad trader, all right. So, but in this tutorial, what I want the shout out is that do not hesitate, all right, to draw as many trend line on your chart. So what we have noticed, a lot of traders, they like to keep their chart very clean, all right? So they will draw some trend line, and they don't want to draw too many lines on their charts, all right? And I can understand that. So you want to keep your screen clean, your chart clean, but it is a mistake. Why? All right? Because nowadays we have the high frequency traders, the trading algorithm, we have the trading software, we have the trading robots, we have, the speed traders. Those computerized trading, tools can dictate any trend line on the chart. All right? So now, as a human being sitting on your chart, you want to be a little bit, clean. You are trying to avoid to draw as many trend line as you can. All right, hold it there. So my recommendation to you is that, especially on a monthly chart, you see, I draw as many trend line on my chart, and I'm going to go through them one by one because that's why I'm using different color now. You can see that my chart, you may say it's a bit messy chart. George, you don't need all this line. But you see, I draw as many, trend line on this chart, and I can go from that chart to the 15-minute time frame. For the monthly chart, I can go to the 15-minute time frame. Now I can see one here, not many. But if I go to the daily, that's the hourly time frame, not many, all right. But now here it is, see on the daily chart, all right. So they are all here. But all these lines, I've drawn them on the monthly chart. This is one aspect of different time frame trading method. Right? You can draw your line on the yearly chart and then switch to your lower time frame and try to trade around those trend lines. You can draw them on the quarterly chart, on the monthly chart, and then you can go to the 15-minute time frame and watching the reaction of the price on the edge of those trend lines. The objective today is to show you why you should draw as many trend lines as you can without too much worry. All right, it's very important. That's the shout. Draw as many trend lines on your chart and do not worry about it. All right, that's it. That's the shout out. So here we are. So let's begin with the orange one here. You can see that the orange one I joined this point and this one here. All right, so I have it here. You see. So here it was here, look, the price came and retested here, that orange line. Has been useful to us, okay? So the point that we are drawing the trend line, because the computers can dictate that the price was retesting a trend line. So they know that whenever you are looking at a trend line, look at the slope of the trend line. Is it a rising trend line? Is it a declining trend line? So if it's a declining trend line, we want it to break above and retest, all right? If it is, a rising trend line, we want it to be above it and to pull back to it, all right, or to break below and retest and so on, all right. So that's what we are looking for. So the computer know that this orange line is on this chart. Even if you didn't draw it, the computer can know that, all right. And you see there's a point here, boom. Look at the reaction here. Isn't it good as a swing trader? If suppose I go to the daily, can you see that spot on the daily chart? No, it's not. We can't see now because the time has passed. All right, let's move on very fast because we want to keep it very short. So you see the reaction there on the edge of the. So that by just drawing that trend line was useful for us. Look at this one. Look at the red one. So connecting this point, this one here, and this one here. Allow us to draw the red line. Yes or no? Look at the reaction here. So it breaks above it and returns it. Look at that token. Boom, 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 boom. So that red trend line was useful for us. So if you didn't have them on your chart, you may not know what's going on. You may not see it, all right? So you have them as many as you can and don't worry about it, all right? So again, now pay attention to the green one here. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to brainwash you in a positive way so you may draw as many trend like that as you can, okay? So this one and this point and this one. All right. Was it useful for us? So you can see. Now, sometimes you will see that a candlestick pattern, you see, it breaks above it, but it forms a bearish engulfment. Or sometimes you will see that, all right? But I don't want to use this one now, so yeah, here it is. The reaction was here, you see, right here, not beautiful as the other one. Look at it, it pulled back to retest the green one here. You have the tail, all right, and then this one here. All right? After those two hammer, all right, that's a bullish candlestick bar sitting nicely, so to speak, on our green, okay, trend line. So the reaction here, yeah, you see all the tail, all these two candles here, there are support level, and look, pay attention carefully. How the professional trader push it back above the green line. You see here, they didn't want it to close below you. They push it back. Can you see? They push it back. Okay, this one open here. He went down, but you see, he opened here, went down, but he managed to go back above that green line. So people were acknowledging that trend line. But if you didn't bother to draw this trend line, all right, you know what's going on. So again, the green one was useful to us. Pay attention to the pink one here. Look at the pink one. Correcting this point and this point here. All right. Okay. So where is the reaction? Again, this one is more complicated for some traders. You see, this is a bearish engulfment again, like you see here. But I don't want to talk about this one. Look, that's where we are now. Price went up to the pink trend line, found a resistance. So as a day trader, you see here, price going up, going up, going up. So if you were here, let's go now to the 30-minute time frame. Where is that pink line? You see? Look at the reaction there. What's all this here? What is it telling you as a day trader? You see? A top, another top. This one is speaking loudly to us. They're pushing. But I don't like this very much. The reason why I don't like this one very much, I will be saying, why they don't just bring it to the trend line? That's the question. Because sometimes they set you up like this, and you try to sell it, and they push it to the trend line. So I don't like this very much. But now the third time you should react. Okay, here it is. So you have this bearish candlestick bar, which is a long candlestick bar. You know how to handle it. You want to, whenever you see a long bearish candlestick bar, you want to see a rally into the media line. And it was here because it was a long candlestick bar. I talked about this already at 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. So I'm busy because trader put me under pressure. I promised to make it amazing channel. So trader say, I'm not giving you thumbs up, so until you make it really amazing. So I'm under pressure. So here it is. Long candlestick bar, bearish. You want it to rally to the median line and peel down. You see, this was going on here. All right, all the time. Again, here you see long bearish candlestick bar. People want to rally a bit before they will sell. All right. Now, so you see that pink trend line was useful to us. Okay. Even you see on a 30-minute time frame, they start selling there. And if you see 1, 2, and you see the third one, you say, well, I want to take the third one. All right. You are not the first one to sell, so they can't blame you for it. Okay. Okay, you see now. So we use the orange, the red, orange, the green, and the pink. Now pay attention to this one here, the turquoise. Okay, see here, this point. So this one I draw it very carefully. You see here, sometimes you do that. See a top of the high of this candlestick bar and the high of this candlestick bar. Though you see, you can connect even the top of each candlestick bar and draw a trend line. Okay, connect the top, the high, and another high here. You can draw them. This high and this high, you can draw it. Okay, so I connect this high and this one. Okay, look what's happened here. Was it useful? Yes. So do you think that my shout out today, that draw as many trend lines as you can, is good for you? All right. So let me know in the comment section whether this is good for you or bad for you. All right. So look at the black one. It's the black belt. All right. Are you doing Shotokan or all right? Are you okay? The third down. Okay. Okay. So we connect this point and this one here. Okay. So we draw the black one. Okay. Now look at the reaction recently. Price breaks above it. And look at this tail, this beautiful tail to retest it here. I'm going to place a vertical line there so you may see. I'll place it the vertical line here, but I want you to pay attention to the next candlestick bar because I'm going to switch, okay, to the hourly time frame. Hopefully we'll see. Pay attention to the vertical line. What is it? Here it is. All right. But the second candlestick bar, so you can see that the price, okay, here, you see what it did? It just came slowly. Okay, and try to retest that black trend line here on the hourly time frame. Came quite close, you see. So P right here. From there, look at that. It's a day trader look. So in fact, this one, can we call it double bottom? All right. You see? Can you see that? All right, it's a double bottom on the hourly time frame. It's a powerful chart pattern on the hourly time frame. You hear boom, boom, and now it's not happening anywhere else. It's happening near that black trend line that we have drawn on which time frame? On a monthly chart. Can you believe it? So now you understand that from the monthly chart, we can go from the monthly chart directly to the hourly time frame, even to the 5-minute time frame. All right. So the shout out, my friend, is that draw as many trend line as you can. Don't go yet. Don't go yet. Okay. There's one more. So we done orange, turquoise, red, green, pink, and black one. There's one more. So this is the one I left for you, and I want you to see now. You may be wondering. So what do we need to do now? Okay. So I will show you now. There's one more trend line that I want to draw before I wrap it up. Was it a short video, by the way? Okay, 12 minutes. We're going to finish soon. So we want to keep it very short. So even if you are, okay, cooking, you can watch it. So I'm going to connect, you see this one here, this point here. I'm going to connect it to this one here. And you will see why you should draw as many trend lines. Just play with it, draw them. Don't be afraid, all right? I'm connecting this one and this one here. And look what's happened recently. I need to give it a color now. I'm running out of turquoise. We can use yellow. Traders say that they can see yellow very much. Okay, we give it a dark green. All right, that's the dark green there. Connecting this point and this point. Look, that's where we are now. On the monthly chart, can you see? It breaks above it. It's coming to retest it nicely here. Now, if you didn't bother to draw this one and this one, will you see it? Do you think that computers know that there was a trend line there? Yes, they know. All the trend line, even the one that we haven't drawn, the computers can see them. So as a human being sitting in front of your computers, please draw as many trend lines as you can, especially on a monthly chart, and then you can switch to any time frame. So like I did it now, I can just go now, okay, and play on any lower time frame or the dark green one. That's what we are coming to now, you see. It's coming 1, 2, 3, coming here, that's a dark one here. Okay, but if you need to understand what's going on here, all right, that candlestick bar on the monthly chart is not yet closed. For swing trader, they will wait for it to close before they will make a decision. All right, so it's a bearish candlestick bar. So it hits the pink one. Now it's coming down, seeking, okay, the turquoise one here. We can do more with this, which I talk about also. All right, we can now put a median line between the pink one and the dark green one and leave it on the chart like this. All right, so this is just a shout out again, my friend. All right, that's draw as many trend lines as you can and do not worry about the aesthetic of your chart. All right, this is about a stock trader reveal a simple way to draw trend line profitably. All right. You can use this for scalping on a 5-minute time frame, draw as many trend lines, and then you switch from a higher time frame, and then you switch to 5-minute, 15-minute time frame for scalping purposes, all right? All right? As always, for swing traders, you find a trading setup on the edge of the trend line. You must use what? Different time frame trading method. All right. Okay. If you have any question or suggestion, put in a comment section. And of course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If you think this video has been truly useful to you, give us the thumbs up. If you think that, Joe, this is another blah blah blah, please give us the thumbs down. You think that, okay, this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about Stock Trader reveals a simpler way to use trend line profitably. Speak to you soon.